just been so used to going to the Super Bowl the last couple of years, you know, but this is still a blessing, you know, to be out here amongst the fans, amongst the greatest players in the world, out here with the family. They're enjoying it, so just trying to make the most of it.
Oh man, it's been nothing short of a blessing. Just having a bunch of fun, a bunch of familiar faces, familiar teammates, man. Kicking it with Pat, Trav, absolutely loving it.